Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol MDCA. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like you this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice movement today, not only from a price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and by far the biggest volume this chart has had for quite a while. So a lot of eyeballs on this one, and you are not blind. The market is actually still open for a few more minutes. So yes, that candle there may still form and change. But for what I want to talk about, assuming there's no massive crash or anything, then what I talk about will apply no matter where the price ultimately, closes up around this area. But, overall, though, the price has made a very nice move. I think everybody would agree with that. But that does map out and, make questions such as, well, where the supports, where the resistance is at, more than valid. So let's first start with areas of support. And the ideal level of support going forward, if you say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? That would be if the price can stay up above the $3 mark. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below 3, by no means am I saying the entire chart's broken or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay up above 3, that would definitely be a huge sign of power going forward. Taking a step back and looking at things from more so a big picture point of view, that is where the purple line comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move. This right here being defined as quote-unquote the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, that's what's being represented. Again, sure, staying above 3, that would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. As far as levels of resistance, I'm not even going to touch on those because in my opinion, resistance levels really don't matter that much right now. Why do I say that? Well, as long as the price continues to build higher bases like it's done over the course of the entire day, then given enough time, everything else will take care of itself, including breaking levels of resistance. So focus on healthy consolidations, focus on building those higher lows. You can just sit back and let the trend do its thing. But nice movement today. It'll be interesting to see how this one closes out the week tomorrow. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.